So Ron, we've talked about so much during your session today. What's the one thing that you'd like all of our attendees out there watching today to take away from this this talk that we've had?
Love. That's it. You're a human being. You work with other human beings. We're called human beings for a reason. Be in love. I learned a long time ago, sometimes things happen in the morning. Within the first hour, I stub my toe. I had a text message I don't like. I get an email. I spill something on myself. So I'm walking out. And then I used to have a program called There Goes My Day. And then I would program myself to have a bad day and then bring negative energy into whatever it was. And then I went to a seminar and I learned there's no such thing as a bad day, but a bad moment exists that you stretch out as long as you want. So if you can notice when you have a heightened feeling that you don't like, just go back into love. Go into your heart. Close your eyes. Think about those kids. To the people, and think about the people in your life. Do they run up to you like your kids do? Like when I do our yoga karate class with they run up to her first because she's more wonderful and loving, and I'm like the disciplinarian. But they're full of joy, they're full of happiness, and then what we do is something that could shift that. So just be in love, come from your heart, and notice whenever you don't feel any certain way that you like, and just notice what expectation did your brain just create and change the expectation. I talk about should to could. Well, this child should be this way. Well, they could be this way. And when you say could instead of should, you alleviate yourself of the expectation that you created. And then all of a sudden that block lifts. And now you look at that child, go, oh, there's Aria. I totally forgot how wonderful she is.